Not many people know these uses for Vaseline, but everyone should. Today, I'll show you a few simple tricks that really make life easier. Vaseline isn't just great for your skin. It also works as an excellent lubricant and preservative that protects surfaces. Just rub a little onto clean tires with a soft microfiber cloth. They'll regain their deep color and look like new, while staying protected from cracking and drying out. Another great use? The dashboard. Lightly wipe it with Vaseline to give it a smooth satin finish and protect it from UV damage that causes cracking and fading. You can do the same with the steering wheel so it stays looking new and flexible longer. And don't forget the plastic trim on the doors. Vaseline restores color depth and even helps hide small scratches. It's a cheap, super effective hack that makes a big difference. Pour turmeric into Vaseline. This simple combination will give you a feeling of lightness in no time. The exact proportions are important, so pay close attention. Prepare a tall glass container and add half a tablespoon of turmeric. Its natural properties help soften the skin and support its regeneration after a long day, while also providing a soothing effect. Then add just under 1 tablespoon of Vaseline, which gives the mixture a smooth texture, softens the skin, and helps keep it in good condition. Now it's time for the oil, but not just any oil. It must be coconut oil so the mixture becomes silky and easy to spread. Coconut oil also deeply moisturizes, nourishes, has antibacterial properties, and leaves the skin smooth and supple. Mix everything well until you get a uniform paste. Now add 1 tablespoon of baking soda, which acts as a gentle exfoliant and cleanser for the skin, with mild antibacterial and antifungal effects. Mix again until all ingredients are perfectly combined. Apply the prepared paste to your knee, spreading it evenly. Then wrap it with plastic wrap to keep the area warm and boost the effectiveness of the ingredients. Go to sleep, and in the morning you'll feel pleasant relief and lightness in that part of your body. You'll see that just one night is enough for your knees to feel true comfort. A lady at the drugstore shared this secret with me. Drop some petroleum jelly into boiling water. I'll show you how to make your own aromatic balms. Start by taking a small pot and filling it halfway with water. Once the water boils, add 2 containers of petroleum jelly. Let it cook for about 2 minutes. During this time, the petroleum jelly will melt and become liquid. After that, carefully remove the containers from the pot. Open one container and add your favorite perfume. For the second one, use your favorite men's fragrance. Mix everything well. Then, mark the containers with different nail polish colors to avoid confusion. Place them in the fridge for about 3 hours to harden. After that, they are ready to use. Apply them to your wrists and the area behind your ears. The wrists and the area behind your ears are spots where the skin is thinner and closer to blood vessels. This makes these areas warmer, which helps release the fragrance. The heat allows the perfume to develop better and become more intense. Add salt to Vaseline. This is a simple yet highly effective home remedy, and you'll notice the results right away. All you need is regular cosmetic Vaseline, something most people already have at home, though few realize how many uses it has. In a small bowl, place just under 1 tablespoon of Vaseline. Vaseline has numerous properties that make it one of the most versatile skincare products. Then add 1 tablespoon of salt, preferably fine-grained. This subtle step will make the result more complete and noticeable. Mix thoroughly until you get a smooth paste. Apply it to the desired areas of your body, massaging in circular motions. Leave it on for about 10 minutes to let the ingredients work, then rinse off with warm water. You'll instantly feel your skin change. Soft, firm, and as if awakened to life. This homemade salt scrub not only cleanses the skin, but also stimulates microcirculation, improving blood flow and oxygen delivery to skin cells. Used regularly, it can become your ally in reducing cellulite. Cellulite is the characteristic unevenness of the skin caused by fat deposits under its surface. Try it once, and you'll feel the difference after just 1 treatment. Apply some Vaseline to the pot lid, and you'll never have to scrub it again. You'll be shocked at how clever this trick is. Grab a regular pot lid from your kitchen cabinet and squeeze a bit of toothpaste onto it. The toothpaste works mainly on the surface, thanks to its mild abrasives that loosen and remove dried-on grime. Rub it thoroughly along the edges of the lid. Meanwhile, pour some water into a pan and add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. The baking soda makes the water more alkaline, which helps break down and dissolve grease, while also acting as a gentle scrub and neutralizing odors. Once the water starts boiling, cover the pan with the lid. If the lid isn't fully submerged, add more water and let it simmer for a few minutes. You'll see bits of dirt and grease floating to the surface, the kind that a sponge can't remove. Afterward, wash the lid as usual. It'll come out perfectly clean. But that's not all. Finish by rubbing a thin layer of Vaseline along the lid's edges. It creates a smooth, non-stick coating that prevents grime from building up and makes it much easier to keep clean later. Add lemon to petroleum jelly, and you'll save a lot of money. Start by taking 1 lemon. To extract as much juice as possible, gently roll the lemon while pressing it with your hand. In a clean bowl, add 2 small spoonfuls of plain petroleum jelly. Petroleum jelly is a product many people use, but not everyone knows its wide range of applications. It creates a protective barrier that prevents moisture loss, hydrates, softens, and accelerates the regeneration of dry skin. To the bowl, also add 2 small spoonfuls of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Next, take a small pot, pour water into it, and bring it to a boil. Place the bowl with petroleum jelly and lemon juice in the pot to warm the mixture in a water bath. Once all the ingredients are melted and combined, prepare a small airtight container. Pour the mixture into the container and let it cool. Use this mixture on your hands, face, and neckline. Leave the mask on for 10 minutes to allow your skin to absorb it well, then rinse it off. Apply the blend to your elbows and knees, where the skin tends to be darker and rougher. Regular use works wonders. Your skin will be well hydrated and nourished. I apply Vaseline to the areas under the doors and windows. It sounds like it doesn't make sense, but it actually makes a huge difference. You probably wouldn't think to apply Vaseline to the gaps by the doors and windows. However, it's a really good trick. When it starts getting warm, we usually open the patio doors. Unfortunately, many of us have ants in the garden or on the patio. As a result, we often avoid opening the doors because these insects frequently find their way into the house. But we don't have to forego the fresh air coming through the doors. You just need to use this trick. It will only take you a moment. Ants usually move along a single path when they want to get somewhere. This is usually some sort of indentation. If you know which path they take, it's perfect. Simply take some Vaseline and smear it along this path. Ants won't cross the Vaseline because it's an insurmountable obstacle for them. We won't even notice the Vaseline in our daily life. Just smear a strip about the width of a finger, and you can forget about ants in the house for good.